Hello, if you are wondering if there is always on display available on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, then the answer is unfortunately no. There is no AOD that is available right from the start. However, you can download an app that will work just like always on display. So let me give you an example. We're gonna go to the Play Store and we're gonna search for Movies Edge app. There we go. And we want to install this one. Of course, this app is free, and keep in mind that using this app will actually drain your battery, as it uses lots of battery to keep it working. And once you open the app, first we need to grant some permissions. So first we need to press on draw over apps, and then we need to select Movies Edge on this list, and then allow display over other apps. Go back, and there we go. So now we can start managing our always on display. For instance, at the bottom we can switch to AOD, and over here we have some example AODs that we can use. Some of them are premium, so you have to pay for them. However, most of them, I think, they seem to be for free. So let's say we're gonna choose this one over here. This one looks pretty cool. We can just press apply over here in the bottom right corner, and that's pretty much it. Now we have this new AOD applied. So let's see if it works. So I'm gonna lock the screen. And there we go, we have AOD. Of course, we can still unlock our device pretty easily. So what we need to do is simply tap over here. And there we go. So you need to double tap in order to open the lock screen. Let me show you one more time. So if you see AOD, you can double tap in order to open the lock screen. And I assume if you have the fingerprint, then you should be able to unlock your device immediately. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!